In this video, I will explain in detail the architecture drawing for a two-story residential building. And this is the drawing, as you can see in this video, for the ground floor plan. And the scale used in this drawing means that is this, and it means that 1 inch on the paper is equal to 8 feet on the ground. So I am going to zoom out this drawing so that you will see the complete uh, plan. So this is the complete ground floor plan for the building. This is the architectural drawing. So now I am going to zoom in so that I show you all these terms and dimensions given in this plan. This is the front side of the building, and this is the left side, and this is the right side, and this is the rear, means back side. So we will start from the front. At the front, the dimensions given are 1 feet. So the total width of this plan is equal to, by adding all these dimensions from this end till this end, by adding these 1 feet by 17 feet by 1 feet by this 3 feet 9 inches by 1 feet plus 1 feet plus 16 feet 3 inches plus 4 feet plus 4 inches 4.5 inches, the total width of this plan is equal to 40 feet. And this is the grating. Through this you will park the car inside the building. This is the car porch, and this is the W gate, means walking gate, and has a dimension of 3 feet 9 inches. And this, from here to here, this is the front boundary wall having a thickness of 4.5 inches. And this is the lawn. It has a dimension of 15 feet by 10 feet. And this is the underground water tank. It has a dimension of 10 feet by 6 feet by 6 feet. 10 feet in this direction, 6 feet in this direction, and has a depth of 6 feet. And this is the septic tank, and in dimensions of 5 feet by 8 feet by 5 feet. 5 feet in this direction, 8 feet in this direction, and has a depth of 5 feet. And these things, the detail of these is given in this section. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe so that I will explain these things, these sections, in the coming videos. And this is the car porch. The dimension for the car porch is 24 feet and 1.5 inches by 17.5 feet. This is the car porch, and this is the entrance main gate. Once you enter on this gate, so on the left side, this is the main door for the drawing room, and on the right side, these are the stairs which is used to go to the upper floor. So once you enter on this gate, so to go to the upper floor, so by going this on this way. This is the first stair, this is second, and this you will go on this way. And this is the gate for the entrance to the upper floor. And so the upper floor plan will be discussed in the next video. So as you enter on this entrance main gate, and this is the lobby. This is the lobby. So in the lobby, this on the left side, this is the dining room or dining hall, and these are the attached the powder room with the uh, dining room, and this is the patio, and it has a dimension of 8.5 feet by 4 feet, 8 feet 8.5 feet in this direction and 4 feet in this direction. And the powder room has a dimensions of 5 feet by 4 feet, 5 feet in this direction and 4 feet in this direction. And in the lobby on the right side, this is the guest bedroom. It has a dimension of 13 feet by 14 feet, 13 feet in this direction and 14 feet in this direction. And this is the attached bathroom with this guest bedroom. And in the lobby, this is the entrance gate for the store, and the store has a dimension of 5 feet by 5 feet 10.5 inches, 5 feet in this direction and 5 feet and 10.5 inches in this direction. And in the lobby as you go, and this is the lawn. It has a dimension of 19 feet and 9 inches by 13 feet 3 inches. And on the right side, this is the kitchen, and it has a dimension of 13 feet by 12 feet, 13 feet in this direction and 12 feet in this direction. And in the kitchen on the right side, this is the door, is a width of 3 feet for exiting to the outer side. This is the outer side, and this is the boundary wall of the building. And the shade on this door, and here is some window. The shade has a width of 2.5 feet. This is the width, and this is the length from here to here. This is the length, and this is the width. And now we come back to the lobby. In the lobby, if we go straight forward, then at the end there is a bedroom. This is the bedroom on the right side. This is the door, has a dimension of 3.5 feet as the bedroom, and the dimension of the bedroom is 14 feet by 13 feet, 14 feet in this direction and 13 feet in this direction. And this is the attached bathroom and dress room with this bedroom. And in the lobby at the front end, this is the another bedroom. It has a dimension of 13 feet by 14 feet, 13 feet in this direction and 14 feet in this direction. And this is the dress room and bathroom which are attached in this bedroom. And this is the main wall, and outside the wall this is a rear passage. It is 5 feet wide. It is a wide of 5 feet, and this is the rear boundary wall of this building, which has a thickness of 4.5 inches, means a single brick wall. So These are the different dimensions given for the walls, and these A, B, C, D, E, these are given in the y direction, and these are this 1, 2, 3 is given in the x direction. These points are used to locate the position of the columns, different columns. This column, this column, and these are the different columns in the buildings. So to locate these, we will be using these points, these x's. These x's basically passes from the center of the column in x direction, and the other is on the y direction. So this video was all about the ground floor plan. So now if you have any question in this, you can comment me. I will reply inshallah. Thank you.